Did you know if you check your index fund portfolio every day, you'll see a loss 41% of the time? But if you looked every 5 years, you'd only experience a loss about 12% of the time. And if you somehow only manage to check your index fund portfolio once every 12 years, you'd never see a loss. So if you want to learn more about why portfolio tracker apps make you lose money and how to solve this problem, then keep watching to find out. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to muzzlightyear, a channel dedicated to videos about making money, living smarter, and being happier. In today's video, we're going to be talking about these little things that run our lives and the apps that we use to get minute-by-minute updates on our money. I'm going to explain why these apps may be causing you to make investing decisions you wouldn't normally make, and how you can make more money in your investments as a result. The problem is that we never used to be able to check our money in real time. It's now addictive to check every day what the number on our screen says and how much money we've made or lost since yesterday. But if we've made investment decisions that are supposed to be long-term, like buying index funds, buying value stocks, or even buying Bitcoin, then checking our portfolio tracker apps may be doing us more harm than good. That's because we may make impulsive short-term decisions based on what the market is doing on that day and how we feel about it. This is the opposite of having a long-term investing strategy. We can break this problem down into 3 parts. 1. It leads us to making rash decisions that were never a part of our long-term plans. 2. It's bad for our mental health, since checking every day would lead us to seeing a loss 41% of the time. This is pretty scary, since studies have shown that people feel losses twice as badly as gains feel good. And 3. The day-to-day movements of the market mean nothing in the long term, so the ups and downs shouldn't actually matter to us. So, what's the solution? Well, first we have to realize that these apps want us to check them as much as possible. It's not in their interest to stop us from doing so. They get paid on our eyeballs being on the screen, whether that's through advertising to us or trading fees that they make from us. The only thing we can do is to decide whether we even want to keep these apps on our phone at all, and maybe only check our portfolio from our laptops instead. Or if we can't bring ourselves to delete the app, then most phones have settings that can restrict how many minutes you can access them or even how many times a day you're allowed to open them. Check it out in your phone settings. So, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about making money, living smarter, and being happier, then check out this video here, which you'll also enjoy. See you there.